To earn more, you have to learn more. And if you're not getting better, you're getting worse. So spend some time learning some practical skills and techniques that will advance you in your profession or however you're trying to make a living. You must develop your skill in reading the character of the people you deal with. To do so, you must consider character as a primary value when it comes to choosing a person to work for, or with, or an intimate partner. This means giving it more value than their charm, intelligence, or reputation. The ability to observe people's character, as seen in their actions and patterns, is an absolutely critical social skill. It can help you avoid precisely those kinds of decisions that can spell out years of misery. Choosing an incompetent leader, a shady partner, a scheming assistant, or the kind of incompatible spouse who can poison your life. Avoid the path of least resistance. This is the cause of most mediocrity. To be excellent, to be the top in your field, to make a ton of money, to succeed, you're gonna have to do difficult things. And difficult things are going to make you a stronger individual. So avoid that path of least resistance. In everyday life, people can often do well at disguising their character flaws, but in times of stress or crisis, these flaws can suddenly become very apparent. People under stress lose their normal self-control. They reveal their insecurities about their reputation, their fear of failure, and lack of inner resilience. On the other hand, some people rise to the occasion and reveal strength under fire. There's no way to tell until the heat is on, but you must pay attention to such moments. Refuse to get emotionally involved when things go sideways, as they inevitably will. As much as you can, you want to work and associate with strong characters and avoid weak ones. This has been the basis for almost all of Warren Buffett's investment decisions. He looks beyond the numbers to the CEOs he will be dealing with. What he wants to gauge above all else is their resilience, their dependability, and their self-reliance. If only we use such measurements in those we hired, the partners we take in, and even the politicians we choose. Be prepared to pay the price for success in advance, and never try to get something that you haven't worked for or grinded and put the sacrifice in for, because that will be fleeting.